MHA on ex gratia for COVID deaths. The statement that has just come in indicate that the Home Ministry is directing NDMA, National Disaster Management Authority, to recommend guidelines for ex gratia assistance on account of loss of life to family members of persons who died because of COVID-19. The matter is under consultation with all stakeholders. So here's the update on the issue of ex gratia for COVID deaths, something that the Supreme Court has also opined, saying that those families whose family members and relatives have lost their lives to COVID must be compensated. MHA has now released a statement saying the matter is under consultation and it is directing the NDMA to frame the guidelines. Meenakshi with more details on this. Yes, Meenakshi.
Right, Afida, this is a hugely important issue where the central government is also very aware in the backdrop of the Supreme Court judgment dated 30th June 2021 that it has now to go ahead and do something about it. And that is what the MHA has today reiterated in the Rajya Sabha. It went on to state, and I quote, pursuant to Supreme Court judgment dated 30th June 2021, directing NDMA to recommend guidelines for ex gratia assistance on account of loss of life to family members of persons who died due to COVID-19. The matter is under consultation with all the stakeholders, unquote. So hugely important statement now being made by the central government in the Rajya Sabha. And this is all happening in the backdrop of the Supreme Court judgment, our viewers will recall, which was in June, which had mandated and pulled up the central government and the NDMA for not having formulated any guideline or policy pertaining to ex gratia compensation already under the NDMA. Remember, there's a writ petition the government has also filed in the Supreme Court seeking more time till September to implement the directions of the Supreme Court by the judgment dated 30th June, which had asked for the central government to formulate a policy in 6 weeks' time. So in the writ petition filed before the Apex Court, government is seeking more time till September. And in Rajya Sabha today, the government has informed everyone that this matter is already under consultation with various stakeholders.
Okay, thanks for joining us, Meenakshi, with the important inputs on this.